may proposal kasi ngayon, may panukala si Tito Soto na i-repeal yung oil deregulation of 1998.
Yeah, it's a serious problem. Yeah.
Anong tingin
Pati yung
doon?
EPIRA law.
O, pati
Kailangan
EPIRA
din
law.
ang balikan din yan. Paano, ayun,
Pero doon muna tayo sa deregulation kasi doon tayo ngayon sa, sa langis eh. Anong tingin nyo sa repeal ng oil deregulation?
Nakita na nung 80s, 90s kasi, no, dahil a new phase daw of globalization. It has to be neoliberal. Ibig sabihin, yung ating mga markets, national market, should be deregulated. Yung ating economy should be privatized, di ba?
Centralized.
Petron, binenta.
trade natin, liberalize.
Tapos yung trade natin, liberalize. Yun yung tatlong proposal ng neoliberal globalization. But did it work? Hindi. Yumaman yung mga mayayaman, tapos yung greater inequality, mas lalong lumawak.
Komunista.
Tsaka si Trump, sinira na yung globalization eh.
So,
So,
ayun.
in answer to the question, ikaw, what do you think?
I think on
Deregulation
a
or
global
deregulation?
level, on a national level, it didn't work. No? At nakikita natin ngayon yung mga contradictions ng ganong klaseng system.
Kaya dapat
Ngayon,
i-nationalize na yung oil industry.
immediately magde-deregulate ba tayo knowing itong massive...
magre-regulate.
Magre-regulate tayo knowing itong massive corruption na nangyari? Yes and no. No, yes and no. Dahil meron ka naman pwedeng gawin na regulatory regime na hindi naman katulad nung nangyari ng OPSF.
OPSF.
Right.
Oil Price Stabilization Fund.
Yes. So, meron kang mga hybrid na pwedeng gawin. Knowing the lessons...
Parang ibang bansa. Dito sa
yung
Southeast
knowing
Asia.
the lessons. Europe. Europe na free market. Europe is basically deregulated. Pero, malinaw sa kanila, the market should serve social goals. No, hindi lang siya yung sinabi ng pure capitalism na
No, hands off.
kailangan ang kwan mo is growth, efficiency. Yun lang ang batayan mo. Hindi, dapat meron kang meron kang social welfare, 'di ba? At
Social
kailangan
responsibility.
mahalaga may justice. Para hindi, yun lang eh. Hindi na deregulated ang ibig sabihin.
Cambridge ka nga talaga.
Oo.